Hello everyone, this is Epic Help, and today I'm going to show you how to wall mount a TV. The first thing you want to do is get everything ready. You want the tools that you are going to use next to you. You want to make sure the TV wall mount is not missing any parts. And you want to have a clean area to work in. Now let's get started. This TV wall mount is a very good product. It's good for many different TVs. There are many different sized screws, washers, and spacers, but you won't use them all. So don't feel like you did something wrong if you use this product. They provide you with the screws to hang almost any TV. And one thing that I found with this product is it has a built-in level, so you don't actually have to have your own level when you're hanging the wall mount on the wall. My TV was already on a stand, so I just set it on the floor and turned it facing away from me. If your TV is brand new and you did not put the stand on yet, then you can take a blanket and lay the TV face down on it. Now you want to find the 4 screws that will fit the back of your TV and test them to make sure that they will work. Next, find the appropriate washers and spacers if you need to use them. Now you want to screw the brackets to your TV. You can use a screwdriver or your drill. I used a drill for this part. Once your TV has the brackets on, you want to attach the wall mount arm. You do this because you need to know how far the bottom screw hole of the wall mount is from the bottom of the TV. You will take this number into consideration when you measure the wall. I got my measurement by measuring the bottom screw hole to the floor and from the bottom of the TV to the floor. Then I subtracted the 2 numbers. This gave me the measurement from the bottom of the TV to the bottom screw hole. This is the measurement that you need. Now you want to take your tape measure and measure from the floor to the location you want to mount your TV. Let's say you want the bottom of the TV to be 40 inches from the floor. Remember to add the difference between the bottom of the TV and the bottom screw hole on the wall mount. As an example, let's say it was 3 inches. That means you need to mark your wall for 43 inches to hang it where you want it, if you want the bottom of the TV to be 40 inches from the floor. After you mark your wall for the bottom screw height, you want to take your stud finder to find out where you are going to mark for drilling. The goal is to get the drill hole as close to the center of the stud as you can. Take your time and make good marks. You can use masking tape if you don't want to put marks on your wall. Before you drill, make sure you have the correct drill bit. Here's an epic tip for you. Line up the drill bit with the screw you are going to use. You should only see the outline of the screw threads if you have the drill bit in front. This is important because you don't want the drill bit to be too small or too big. Now you can drill the bottom 2 holes. After drilling the bottom 2 holes, I placed the bracket on the wall and used it to mark the top 2 holes. Then I drilled the top holes. After drilling all the holes, it's time to mount the bracket. It's helpful if you have someone available to assist you, since this bracket is just heavy enough to make for a very unpleasant experience when attempting to ratchet the screw bolt into the wall. After you put up the wall mount, it's time to hang the TV on the mount. It's best to have 2 people assist with this because it can be very awkward with just one person. After you hang the TV on the mount, then you want to secure it with the 2 screws that were provided. It's done. The TV has been mounted on the wall. Now you need to plug all your cables back into the TV and clean up. After you do this, the project is complete. Thanks for watching.